Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm Jack and I'm here with Lily.
Hello! Today we are sharing a special story. Our family is going on a big trip to Hawaii.
Traveling can be stressful. At the airport, we face many problems with our bags and the flight.
Don't worry, we will speak slowly and clearly. It is perfect for your English practice. So, just relax and listen.
Before we start, we have a question for you. What is the number of our flight to Honolulu?
Listen for the answer and write it in the comments. Commenting is a great way to improve your English.
Are you ready? Let's get started. Here we are. JFK Airport is huge. Is everyone excited for Hawaii?
I am. I want to see the big waves and try surfing, Dad. And I want to see the sea turtles. Can we go to the beach today?
Not today, sweetie. It is a long flight. First, let's check our things. Do we have all the passports?
Let's see. 1, 2, 3, and 4.
Great. And the boarding passes? I sent them to your phone, Jack.
Got 'em. Everything is on my phone. We are ready to go.
Wait, where is my blue backpack? I don't see it on the trolley.
Oh no, Leo. Did we leave it in the taxi?
Just kidding. It's right here on my back. See?
Leo, don't scare us like that. We are in a hurry.
Look, Daddy, the big screen. Our flight is HA-42. Is that our plane?
Let me check the flight board. Yes, flight HA-42 to Honolulu. It says on time.
Perfect. Now, let's count the suitcases. We have 2 large ones and 2 small ones, right?
1, 2, 3, and 4. Everything is here.
Can I pull my own suitcase, Mommy? I am a big girl now.
Of course, Mia. You are a great helper.
Okay, team. The check-in counter is over there. Let's move.
Race you to the counter, Mia.
No running, kids. Stay close to us. It's very crowded today. Good morning. Where are you flying today?
Good morning. We are flying to Honolulu, Hawaii.
Great. May I have your passports and boarding passes, please?
Here they are. 4 passports for the Watson family.
Thank you. Are you checking any bags today? Yes, we have these 2 large suitcases. Please place the first suitcase on the scale.
Look at the numbers, Mia. It is going up. 30, 40, 50.
Oh, I am sorry. This bag is 55 pounds. The limit is 50 pounds. Oh no! 5 pounds overweight? Jack, I told you it was too heavy.
It's okay, don't worry. It's probably my heavy hiking boots and the kids' beach toys.
You can pay an extra fee, or you can take some items out.
The fee is expensive. Let's open the bag and move some things.
Daddy, are you going to take out my sandcastle bucket?
No, Mia. I will move my heavy boots and these books to my carry-on bag.
I can help. I have space in my backpack for my snorkel mask.
Good idea, Leo. Let's do it quickly. People are waiting behind us.
Okay, let's try the scale again.
Let's see. 49 pounds. Perfect. Now it is under the limit. What a relief. Thank you, Jack. And here are your luggage tags. Your bags are going straight to Honolulu.
Do the bags fly on the same plane with us, Mommy?
Yes, Mia. They stay in the bottom of the plane while we sit at the top. You are all set. Have a wonderful flight to Hawaii.
Thank you for your help. Have a nice day.
Dad, I'm hungry. Can we get some chocolate chip cookies?
Okay, let's stop at this cafe for a minute. We have plenty of time.
Wait, everyone, listen to the announcement. I think I heard our flight number. Attention passengers for flight HA42 to Honolulu. The departure gate has changed. Please go to gate 55.
Gate 55? But we are at gate 4. That is on the other side of the airport.
Is it far, Daddy? My legs are tired.
We need to move fast. Look at the signs. I see gate 10, 20. But where is 55?
I don't see it. The signs are very confusing. Let's ask that officer over there. Excuse me, sir. Could you help us? We are looking for gate 55. Gate 55? Oh, that is quite far from here. You are in the north terminal. Gate 55 is in the south terminal.
Oh no. Is there a fast way to get there? Our flight leaves soon.
Don't worry. The easiest way is to take the airport shuttle train.
A train inside the airport? That sounds cool.
Yes, it is very fast. Go straight, turn left at the pharmacy, and take the escalator down. Go straight, turn left at the pharmacy, and then go down. Is that correct? Exactly. The train comes every 2 minutes. It will take you straight to the south terminal.
Thank you so much for your help.
You're welcome. Have a safe flight. Okay, Watson team, let's follow the signs to the shuttle train. No time for cookies now, Leo.
That's okay, Dad. Ha! I want to ride the airport train.
Hurry up, everyone. The shuttle train is coming in 1 minute.
We are almost there. Keep walking, Leo. Keep walking, Mia.
Look at all those people running. Whew, it's like a race.
I see the escalator. Come on, team.
Wait. Jack! Where is Mia?
What? She was right behind Leo.
Oh, I don't see her. I thought she was with you, Mom.
Mia! 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 Where are you?
Oh no. Look back there. Is that the Disney store?
Jack! I see her. She is standing in front of the toys.
Oh, thank goodness. Let's go get her.
Mia.
Why did you stop? We were so worried. I'm sorry, Mommy.
Look, Mommy. It's a turtle with a flower hat. He is so cute.
Mia, honey, you cannot stop without telling us. We almost lost you.
I am sorry, Daddy. I just wanted to say hello to the turtle.
We can look at toys later in Hawaii. Right now, we must catch our plane.
Take my hand, Mia. I will hold it so you don't get lost again.
Good job, Leo. Now, everyone, let's really move. The gate is closing soon.
Okay, let's go find the real turtles in Hawaii.
Oh, we made it. We are the last passengers, but we are here.
My heart is beating so fast. What a morning.
Look, Dad. I found our seats. Row 15, seats A, B, C, and D.
Good eyes, Leo. Lily, you sit with Mia in the window seats.
Okay. Mia, come sit by the window so you can see the clouds.
Yay! Everything looks so small from here.
Good morning. Please put your small bags under the seat in front of you.
Excuse me, can you help me with this large bag? It is a bit heavy.
Of course. Let's put it in the overhead bin. There is still some space here.
Thank you very much.
Mama.
You're welcome. Please fasten your seatbelts now. We are departing soon.
Dad, how do I do this? My seatbelt is stuck.
Here, let me help you. Put the metal end into the buckle. Hear that? Now it's safe.
Mommy, I'm a little scared. The plane is making a loud noise.
Don't worry, honey. That is just the engine starting. Hold my hand.
Look! Look! The plane is moving! We are going to the runway!
This is it, everyone. Next stop, Honolulu.
Can we turn on the small TVs now? I want to watch a movie.
Wait until we are high in the sky, Mia. First, let's watch the safety video.
Finally. Now I can relax. No more running.
Look, Dad! The food trolley is coming! I am so hungry!
Me too, Leo. Let's see what they have on the menu.
Good morning. Would you like something to eat or drink?
Yes, please. What are the options for breakfast?
Today we have chicken sandwiches, fruit bowls, and ham and cheese croissants.
Can I have the ham and cheese croissant, please? It sounds delicious.
Of course. And for the little girl?
I want the fruit bowl, please. And some apple juice.
I'll have a chicken sandwich and a cup of black coffee, please.
I'll take the same as Lily, but with milk in my coffee, please.
Certainly. Would you like any snacks? We have small bags of pretzels and cookies.
Oh, cookies. Can we have 2 bags of cookies, Dad?
Okay, just for today. 2 bags of cookies, please.
Here you go. 2 coffees, 1 apple juice, and your meals. Enjoy your breakfast.
Thank you.
Cool.
How much is the total?
That will be $45, please. We only accept credit cards.
No problem. Here is my card.
This coffee is very hot, but it's good. How is your croissant, Leo?
It's great. Airplane food is the best. Look out the window. The water is so blue. Is that Hawaii?
Yes, Mia.
Nah.
Those are the islands. We are almost there.
Finally, the adventure is about to start.
Hawaii, here we come.
That's all for our adventure today. We hope you enjoyed traveling with our family and learned some useful airport English.
Do you want to see the next part of our adventure in Hawaii? Tell us in the comments. Sharing your thoughts is a great way to improve your English.
If you like this lesson, please give us a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell.
We want to hear from you. What is one new English word you learned today? Also, don't forget to answer our question from the beginning. What was our flight number to Honolulu?
Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you in the next video.
Goodbye.